Your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, the sky's a deep blue, but notice in the distance this yellowish haze. That is smoke. Look at the smoke forecast in the coming days. We have multiple grassland fires burning in the plains, some fires in the Midwest, fires in the Southwest, fires in the upper South. So not only will there be smoke thousands of feet up that will make that sky kind of pale looking, but with this surface high and upper ridge too over the area acting as like a dome, some of that smoke's going to get trapped and our air quality will be going downhill. As a matter of fact, we've got an air quality alert or air quality warning. It's for Carroll, Tippecanoe, and Howard counties tomorrow, but for much of the area, the air quality is not going to be great through tomorrow and even potentially into Friday. That's the gray area you see, but this reddish color, that is a fire weather warning or a red flag warning because we've got very dry air, a lot of wind, and very warm weather, and cured, tender, dry grasses, leaf litter, and just vegetation in general around. And you can see the fire weather warnings all over the northern part of the U.S. So the fires are burning, the air quality is going downhill, and the fire danger will continue through this evening and even into tomorrow. With temperatures today, they reached as high as the low 80s. We're running in the upper 70s to around 80 right now, but that air is dry. Dew points as low as the mid 30s, so the relative humidity has been below 20%. And look at the winds. They're sustained as high as 23. We've had some gusts up around 35, 37 miles an hour today. But the big ridge, look at that. This looks like July. Massive upper ridge dominating the northern U.S. It's in the low 90s right now in Iowa and Minneapolis. It's 88 right now. And way up here at Alpena, Michigan, it's 86 degrees. So there's the hot ridge dominating on the underbelly like you see in the summer, almost a little tropical type little low down here in the Gulf of Mexico that's going to bring a lot of rain along the Gulf Coast. So 66 by 11 tonight. We'll see some patchy high clouds down to 53 for the low in Greater Lafayette with lows 50 to 55 doing it, viewing area wide. Tomorrow, it's another day near 80 to the low 80s. Lots of sunshine, not quite as much wind, but still fire danger. 80 in Lafayette, 82 Rensselaer, 82 degrees at Fowler, and still warm Friday. Just increasing high and mid-level clouds around with winds out of the south-southeast. 80 for the high after 50s in the morning, 77 to 81 doing it area wide. Not quite as warm due to more cloudiness and winds more out of the south-southeast. There is Friday. There's Saturday. Some storms to the west. We may see a little line of storms come through Saturday late afternoon to Saturday evening, and the potential is there. We may see a slight risk of severe weather develop. Certainly the parameters are there for a 2 out of 5 on the severe weather scale for a few severe gusts late Saturday afternoon and Saturday evening with a 78-degree high, very windy, cooler 53 Sunday, a light freeze Tuesday morning, then it's back to the warmth 80 a week from Saturday.